Hello friends, this is a presentation for online travel booking system, the most extensive travel booking platform for travel industries. Mako Infotech introduces online travel booking system, the powerful full-featured solution to make the travel industries more flexible. This XML standard-based application offers high degree of efficiency, flexibility and robustness. You can also integrate XML such as GTA, Hotelbeds, Travico, Turico, Mickey and many more. We have also an experience in creation of one's own contracted rates for hotels, transfers, cars and packages. We provide both B2B and B2C models in online travel booking system. Here are the features for B2C model in which we have covered search availability, online inquiries, booking with online payments, booking histories, view and reprints, e-tickets, email notification and many more. Now in the features of B2B we have agent, sub-agent login, search availability, Google Map, service details, check cancellation policies before booking, booking management, email notifications, credit limit and balance meters, cancel booking. You can check the status of the cancelled booking, print vouchers and invoices, user roles and right management, service wise markup management, credit limit reminders, voucher and invoice printings, different type of reports and many more. Now in admin module we have covered first agent management, in which you can add or update the details of the agent, update the logo of the agent, different payment mode you just assign to the agent, agent currency management, service management for agent, markup managements, and you can also deactivate your agent from your admin panel. Next is back office. In admin module you can view the bookings made by all the agents, sub agents and admin as well, booking amendments, cancellations or printing of vouchers and invoices by the admin, confirm pending bookings, system auditory, different type of reports on behalf of bookings, booking on editable markups, user roles and rights management, multiple admin management like super admin, admin, sales and operations, then currency exchange rate management and many more. Now I am going to show you how the admin panel, means the main website, is looking. Here is the main website. We have already integrated a API for hotels to it, so I just search my destination in this system. Suppose it's Dubai. Select the journey date and search. Now according to my search it gives me the result as per the integrated API, but in my system you can integrate the API or you can manage your own packages. We have given both facilities in this application. So here are the results as per my search. Now I'm going to show you how the admin panels look like. Here is the login page of my admin panel. I just use my login credentials and click on login. Here we have the dashboard. Now on dashboard we have different options like booking manager, company management, agent, staff management, markups and profit management, supplier management, booking payment management, currency conversion rates, reports, booking creations and many more. Here the first option is booking manager, in which you can check all your bookings as and all your customers here, either they are confirmed or they are cancelled. If you want to check the invoices and vouchers of any of the confirmed booking, you just click on this, click on the option of voucher and you will get a PDF format of your vouchers. Similarly you can get the invoices, and if you want to resend the email you just click on email and an email will be resent to your customer. Next option is for inquiry manager. Here you can manage all your inquiries coming from your website. You just manage it from this page. Next option is for company management, in which you can manage your company details, you can manage the company branches, you can upload the slider images or you can add the text to your packages. If you want to add the text, just click on add text, put all the details and add it. Next option is for agent and staff management. In agent and staff management, we have two portions here, staff management and one is agent management. Just if you want to add or update your staff member, you just click on add or update staff, then go to the option add new staff, and here is the blank form. You just fill it as per the information of the staff and just save it. So you can, from here you can add staff members, then you can define roles, that either your staff member is administrator or ticketing staff or any other, and just map your role with the age staff. Just click on role wise mapping, select the role like it's a ticketing staff, and just check out what are the options he can use from the application. Just tick out and just save it. Next is agent management, in which you can add or update your agent details. I will show you how. Just click on add and update details, add new agent. Here you will get a form in which you can add all the details of your agent, agency name, first name, username, password, city, country and all the details. Then payment mode, either it is credit limit, credit card, prepaid, zero balance login. Then map it with the branch, currency, and when you put all the details, just add it. Next is agent status. You can mark your agent, either it is active or inactive. Then you can create agency ledgers from the next option, and next is top up recharge. You can recharge the top up of your agent. You just click on it, select the agency, enter the amount and recharge it. Next is markups and profit management. Just click on it. You will get all the B2B modes, B2C or booking on behalf of direct client. You have all three options. If you want to put markup for B2B, you just select for which agent you want to put the markup, click the agent, then in hotel put 5 is my markup value. It's P or F, either it is a fixed value or it's a percentage. I want to put percentage, just click the radio button of percentage, put the markup and update it. So this markup will automatically update with all my packages. Next option is for supplier management. You can manage your suppliers from this option. Now next option is for booking payment management. You can manage all your booking payments, either they are confirmed or cancelled, from this option. Next is currency conversion, in which you can manage all the conversion rates of the currency day by day. You just edit it and put the new rate and it will automatically reflect with the package. Next option is reports, in which we have given you many reports such as daily sales report. You can take the daily sales report, agent credit report or supplier payment deduction report from this option, and we have also given one option to export these reports to Excel. So this is all about the admin panel of this hotel booking management system, or this is called online booking management system, and this is the home page or website. So this is complete online booking management system. Thank you very much and have a nice day.